Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to move the search bar to the bottom in Firefox mobile. Now before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. It really helps. Moving on. Now the first thing to do when you want to move the search bar to the bottom in Firefox, to tap on three dots at the top right corner, and then you tap on settings, and then you tap on customize. And you can see address bar location as your search bar location is at the top right now. Tap on bottom, and so when you go back now, as you can see, my search bar is now at the bottom, no longer at the top. It was here before, now it's here. Let me show you again. So tap on three dots, which is at the bottom right corner now. Tap on settings, and then tap on customize. Put it back to top. I want to show you, and when you go back, it's at the top. It's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates from us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.